As much as we all love our morning cup of joe, it might be time to turn off the espresso machine and consider a healthier alternative to kickstart the day. Whether you're planning your post-lockdown glow-up or simply looking to implement a healthier lifestyle, green tea might just do the trick. It's been linked to improved brain function, weight loss, and increased energy, as well as having a positive knock-on effect on our skin and hair. We're taking a look at the main health benefits of drinking green tea. 1. Detoxes the body. Drinking green tea is a great way to detox. High antioxidants in green tea help the liver to cleanse, which leads to a cleaner system overall. The knock-on effect of this is clearer skin, shinier hair, and a feeling of vitality. The antioxidants that you find in green tea mop up the toxins that are in our system and stop them from causing damage to our bodies and skin. Toxins can come from pretty much everywhere: eating and drinking, stress, UV, pollution, and even chemicals in the food chain. 2. Improves brain function. Drinking green tea has been said to increase brain function due to its caffeine content. While it doesn't contain as much caffeine as your average Starbucks order, green tea contains enough to energize you without leaving you jittery after your third cup. It has also been linked to improved mood, reaction time, and memory, with many people reporting that they felt far more productive as a result. The caffeine is so low in green tea that you will not be exhausting your adrenal glands by drinking a cup of it, but it is just enough to help you feel alert and positive. 3. Can help with weight loss. Green tea can help with weight loss, but that doesn't mean it's guaranteed to make a huge difference. There is some evidence that shows that EGCG, an active ingredient found in green tea, can help you to burn more calories by speeding up your metabolism. However, this is only a temporary fix. The best way to look at it is that by substituting green tea in place of sugary fruit juices and fizzy drinks on a daily basis, you'll be able to reduce the number of liquid calories that you're consuming. 4. Lowers the risks of some cancers. A powerful source of antioxidants, green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer. 5. Can lower cholesterol. Studies have suggested that green tea may lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, effectively reducing the risk of a heart attack or stroke. While there is still limited data to support the link between drinking green tea and increased heart health, it is thought that when consumed wisely, green tea can help to improve cardiovascular health.